Hey guys, welcome to this channel, guys. So, guys, I'm discussing very important option is called domain forwarding and domain redirection without hosting. So we can purchasing one hosting. In one hosting, we can using for two website how to utilize. Two website how to utilize. One website will be server is there, and one domain will be no server. In this particular domain, no server. So how we can, any people will be click this domain. Suppose this domain is there. If I'm open this domain, website will be not work out. In this domain also, when it will be open in a particular website, they go to the particular website is called iomacademy.in. When I'm clicking for .com, they go to for this domain. In this website, mainly focused by the essay trainings, group 1, group 2 trainings, they will be providing. Now, first of all, when you click the manage option, in this, there are a lot of options are here. So in this, we can go to back your particular domain list. In here, just anyone click for your option, DNS here, manage option will be here. Tell you the steps. So these all options are here. In a particular option, my DNS here, everything. So here will be particular things are there in this. So what are the domains? What are the options are here? DNS, manage zones. In DNS, we can go to the manage zones. Here, these all will be particular domain name managing zones option here. In this particular option is there, just where exact domain, we can go to select a name is, that option name is called DNS, dedicated name server option. When you click that option in a domain list, here, click for DNS, dedicated name server, which hosting will be changing, the pattern will be here. In this forwarding, click for add. So forward which is HTTP or HTTPS. I'm selecting HTTPS. Copy. This will be can show to this two things with the permanent redirection and a temporary redirection. We can give this permanent redirection. I'm not give the hosting option. Click will be save this future. So once save this future, the domain will be redirection for the particular website. When it is refreshing will be started, the domain will be certain time will be taken 24 hours to 48 hours. The updating for redirection, they go to where your particular option will be go to this particular website. So what are the changes you can click? Here will be forward only forward with the masking. So masking nothing but your proper title, description and keywords. Then writing your own title, description, keywords here. Only forward only. There are two options are here. Permanent, temporary. Suppose you are only expert in temporary, click for temporary option. So here, you can see this site can't be reached is taking some time to react a particular domain. It will take for how much DNS will be affected. Time will be 24 hours, 40 hours. Same hours will be taking for this particular times. Suppose if you want to change this option, immediately you can change your particular future. Done. Now you can refresh. So it is take some time to react in a particular website. In this redirection purpose, no any hosting will be required. Just go that we can redirect from the another website with your existing name servers. But taking some time, will be redirect the particular URL on the particular your working website. It's taking for 24 hours to 48 hours time. You have to wait for certain time. It will go to your particular website on the particular redirection. This is not require any hosting on the particular direction, one domain to another domain. You can show to the website. First domain compulsory is working condition. Second domain will be without working condition, without server, without DNS, existing coded DNS. You can shift into the working website. This is a procedure. Go to particular domain name, click for DNS. The option name is forwarding. Select your domain with HTTP and HTTPS two condition. Click OK with the temporary permanent with your proper title, description, keyword, and save it. Two options will be valid for domain redirection purpose. Follow these steps. Any particular doubts, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support you. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.